Alright. Good evening na guys. Yan, kasama natin ang isa sa candidate ng Misters of Filipinas 2024. Ayan Abad Santos from Angeles City, Pampanga. Hi, Ayan.
Hello po, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat at sa mga manunood, magandang gabi po. Mabuhay!
Okay, Ayan. So, the last time na nag-usap tayo is hindi ka pa official candidate ng Misters of Filipinas. So, balik tayo doon. Congratulations for being part of the 11th Misters of Filipinas. How was your journey so far?
Well, most of all, thank you. Thank you for congratulating me. And so far, the journey so far, sobrang happy ko. Hindi ko in-expect na ganito kasaya ang Misters of Filipinas. Na totoo nga ang balita na parang Misters of Filipinas is, well, it's the best male pageant in the Philippines. And totoo na, akala ko nun parang yung sinasabi na we're gonna be a family and all. Well, ngayon na i-experience ko siya na totoo siya. Ayun, na parang ang turingan na namin, we're more than friends eh. Parang na kami magkakapatid at hindi na namin tinuturing na competition yung isa't isa. Yun yung masaya dun eh. Kasi it's healthy and we lift each other up. Each other's up.
Okay, so balik tayo a few days back. Congratulations for being part of the top 12 for the Festival King of the Misters of Filipinas 2024. So, sa mga hindi nakakita or nakapanood, kindly explain to us your national costume.
My national costume is inspired by the Los Angeles, or also known as the Festival of Angels. Isa siya sa mga three major festivals in Angeles City. And I am very proud na naging pioneer kami nung inintroduce yung festival na yun, the Festivals of Angels, and yung naging performance ko is just an excerpt of the whole production. And ayun, kung hindi nyo pa napapanood, medyo nagpakitang gilas naman tayo ng konti, and I'm really, very flattered na nakasama ako sa top 12.
Speaking of, kung hindi nyo pa nakikita, well, Ayan performed really well, especially nung presentation niya, nung sayaw. So, I saw that and napansin ko na you have the moves. Meron ka bang background in dancing?
Well, actually, hindi ko dinidisclose so madalas. I am a performing arts scholar when I was in college, and part of the training is basic ballet and mostly contemporary and folk dance. And I am proud na performing arts scholar ako at nakapagtapos ako because of ballet.
Okay, so we are a few days away from the finale, which is happening on October 10.
Yeah.
Kamusta? Are you excited? Are you nervous?
I am really excited and sad at the same time kasi syempre after October 10, magkakanya-kanya na ulit kami ng buhay ng mga kasama ko dito. Pero nandoon yung kaba, syempre, kasi well, honestly, hindi ako nag-training for pasarela. Wala akong trainer. Q&A, I read and some people help me. Well, my friend is helping me. Pero, ayun, siguro ihahabol ko pa yung training kasi well, the competition is really tight eh. And alam ko naman sa sarili ko na kapag hindi ko ginalingan at hindi ko pinakita yung best ko, wala.
Alright. Well, the best of luck on the upcoming finals. And I'm gonna give you an opportunity to give thanks to everyone who have helped you during your journey here sa Misters of Filipinas.
Unang-una, maraming salamat po sa organization because you have given me a chance to be part of the 11th edition of Misters of Filipinas. Secondly, my Angeles City team, Auntie Medj, KJ, Dalwin, Sir Edwino, Sir Santino, the designer of the costume, Sir Philip Torres, the designer of, well, doon sa fashionista, hindi pa siya lumalabas. And all of, well, Brian, Kizon, at sa lahat po ng mga sumusuporta, sa lahat ng bumoto, maraming salamat po. And konti na lang, at alam natin lahat na tight ang competition at gagawin ko yung best ko. para makakuha ng isang crown at to be part of the Kings of the 11th edition of Misters of Filipinas. Magkita-kita po tayo sa October 10 sa PhilOil Eco Oil Center, San Juan City. October 10, and I think it will start at 6 p.m.
Alright, thank you very much, Ayan.
Maraming salamat.
Once again, guys, Ayan Abad Santos from Angeles City, Pampanga.